Have you ever noticed a child who seems to have grandma's bright smile or grandpa's unique hair color, even if their parents do not? It is truly fascinating how family traits can skip a generation, and there is a wonderful scientific explanation for it. Children absolutely inherit traits from their grandparents, and this happens through the genes passed down from both parents. Each child receives a unique combination of genetic information from their mother and father, and those parents, in turn, received their genetic blueprint from their own parents, the grandparents. The core reason for this lies in how genes are passed along through generations. We each have two copies of almost every gene, one from our biological mother and one from our biological father. When we have children, we pass on only one copy of each gene to them. So, a child gets one copy from their mother and one from their father. Think of it like this. Your parents each received half of their genetic material from each of their own parents, your grandparents. This means that you carry a mix of genes that originated from all four of your grandparents, not just your immediate parents. It is a biological lottery where genes are shuffled and dealt, making each person truly one of a kind. To understand this better, let us consider specific characteristics. Perhaps a grandmother has a particular dimple that neither of her children, one of whom is your parent, shows. However, because your parent still carries the gene for that dimple, even if it is not visible in them, they can pass it on to you. If you then inherit that specific gene from them, you might display the dimple. This is often due to recessive genes, which need two copies to be expressed, or due to a combination of multiple genes working together. It is not about one gene for one trait in every case. Sometimes many genes contribute to a single characteristic, making the inheritance pattern even more complex and interesting. This genetic connection to grandparents is why a family health history is such a valuable tool. By looking at the health patterns of your grandparents and other relatives, you can gain important insights into potential inherited risks or predispositions. It highlights that understanding your family's health story is a key step in planning for your own well-being and that of future generations. Every trait, from hair color to certain health tendencies, tells a story about your family's unique genetic tapestry. Ultimately, the beautiful presence of ancestral traits in children is a testament to the continuous thread of genetic inheritance that weaves through families. It shows that while you are distinctly yourself, you are also a living mosaic of your lineage. Recognizing these connections can deepen your appreciation for your family's history and the incredible biological journey that brought you here.